Good morning everyone. In the previous class, we have learned how we can construct parallel line for any given line. Now today we will discuss about construction of triangle. Now before constructing any triangle or any quadrilateral or any polygon, the very first thing we have to do is to draw the rough sketch of the figure. After drawing the rough sketch only, we will get an idea that from where we have to start. Let's see one question we will do from exercise 10.2 to get a clear picture of the construct a triangle XYZ. XYZ हमें एक triangle बनाना है and in that triangle XY is equal to we can note down the readings that XY is equal to 4.5 centimeter, then YZ is equal to 5 centimeter and then ZX is equal to 6 centimeter. Okay, ये तीन रीडिंग दी हुई है. Now on the basis of this given readings, what we will do? First of all, I will draw the rough sketch. Now the name of the triangle is XYZ, so I can name it as XYZ. अब इस no need to draw the rough sketch by using a scale. You can simply draw it with your hand. Okay, rough diagram. Now XY 4.5. YZ is 5 and ZX is 6. Okay, simply I have written the readings. Now since all the three sides are given, so we can say that the triangle will be constructed by using SSS, side criteria. So I can draw any of these first. Like if from my rough diagram YZ is given down, so first of all by using ruler I will draw YZ of 5 centimeter. Now from Y, now I will open the compass with the help of ruler equal to 4.5 centimeter. And from Y, I will cut an arc of 4.5 centimeter. Similarly from Z, I will cut an arc of 6 centimeter. And I will name the intersection point as X. Now join XY and XZ. Automatically this will be 4.5 and this will be 6. Now the important thing in doing this construction of triangle that you people have to write steps of construction for better understanding. Okay, so steps of construction are not too much difficult. जो हम बोल रहे हैं or whatever I have done, that only I will write. Like first I have drawn this line segment. So step 1, draw a line segment. Draw a line segment YZ is equal to 5 centimeter. This was the first step which I have done. Now what I have done next? From Y as center, cut an arc of 4.5 centimeter. So from Y as center, cut an arc of 4.5 centimeter. Similarly, third step, from Z as center, cut an arc of 6 centimeter intersecting at X. Now from Z as center, cut an arc of 6 centimeter intersecting at X. Now what I have done next? I have joined XY and XZ. सिर्फ वो R कट किया था, so join XY and XZ. Then last, therefore, triangle XYZ is the required triangle. Okay, so this is the required triangle. In this way, your construction is complete as well as you have shown the steps of construction also. Similarly, second question is construct an equilateral triangle. So only one thing we have to write, that we know that in an equilateral triangle, all the three sides are of equal length. Okay, so the rough diagram which you will construct, all will be of 5.5, 5.5, 5.5 as per second question. And you can name the triangle as per your wish, ABC, SAD, SAD, PAT, MAT, whatever you want to name the triangle, and then one by one same way you will do the construction and same way we can write the steps of construction. Similarly, for triangle PQR, third question, again all the three sides are given. Now the question is, what type of triangle is this? Now from the given details only I can see that two sides are of equal length, 4 and 4. When two sides are equal, we call it as isosceles triangle. Fourth question में अगर आप देखेंगे, so 2.5, 6 and 6.5. Measure angle B. First we will do the construction and then we can measure the value of B angle and we can write. So all this but in all you have to draw the rough sketch. This rough sketch is of half marks. Then steps of construction is also 1 mark. And remaining is for your main construction. And if something else has been asked, that also you have to give the answer. So this is the construction based on SSS criteria. Now I will discuss the construction of exercise 10.3. Now we will discuss one question of exercise 10.3. First question let's discuss. Question is construct triangle DEF. DEF बनाना है such that DE is equal to 5 centimeter and DF is equal to 3 centimeter and angle EDF is equal to 90 degree. Angle EDF is equal to 90 degree. These three things are given. So first step is to draw the rough sketch. इसको देख के हमें बिल्कुल ही समझ में आएगा पहले क्या बना है. So let's draw the rough sketch. So when I will draw the rough sketch, let's name it as DEF. Okay. Now DE is 5, DF is 3, and angle EDF is 90 degree. Now from the given rough diagram, we can see that two sides and the included angle is given. So this construction of this triangle is possible by SAS criteria. ठीक है. So first of all, let's draw any side. जैसे पहले आप DE भी बना सकते हो और DF भी बना सकते हो. I will draw DE first. So draw a line segment DE is equal to 5 centimeter. Okay. अब ये जो 90 डिग्री है ये किस पॉइंट पे बना है? D पे. So at D, draw an angle of 90 degree. And 90 degree again you will draw with compass. Like whatever angles which are coming in the table of 15, like 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, that all you can draw with compass. And in construction also you have to draw with compass only. Okay. So this is first arc, second arc. From first and second, third and fourth arc we will construct. So this is 90 degree. ठीक है. पहला DE बन गया, D पे 90 डिग्री बन गया. अब अगला पॉइंट क्या बचा? F. So F is 3 centimeter away from D. Now I will open the compass from with the help of ruler equal to 3 centimeter. And from D I will cut an arc F equal to 3 centimeter. Okay. Then join EF. The triangle is constructed. So how I will write the steps of construction? Steps of construction की अगर मैं बात करूं, then first step, draw a line segment DE is equal to 5 centimeter. Okay. Then at D पे draw an angle of 90 degree. D पे मैंने क्या बनाया है? एक एंगल बनाया है 90 डिग्री का. नाउ थर्ड क्या किया था मैंने? D से एक आर्क कट किया. अब आपको 90 डिग्री कैसे बनाया ये बताने की जरूरत नहीं है. At D draw an angle of 90 degree. Now from D cut an arc of 3 centimeter. From D cut an arc of 3 centimeter at F. ठीक है. D से मैंने 3 सेंटीमीटर पे आर्क कर किया और उसको किस पे? F पे. Then what I have done next? Join FE. Therefore, triangle DEF is the required triangle. So it was very simple. ठीक है. जैसे से करते गए वैसे वैसे मेंशन करते गए. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन क्या है? कंस्ट्रक्ट एन आइसोसेलेस ट्राइंगल. नाउ इफ दे मेंशन द टाइप ऑफ ट्राइंगल देन वी विल यूज द प्रॉपर्टी दैट वी नो दैट two sides of isosceles triangle are equal, in which the length of each of its equal side, जो equal side की length है वो कितनी दी हुई है 6.5, मतलब दो साइड 6.5 हो जाएंगी, एंड द एंगल बिटवीन देम इज 110 डिग्री। अगर मैं इसका रफ स्केच बनाऊं तो दो साइड 6.5 ले लें और ये एंगल कितना है 110 डिग्री। आई कैन नेम दिस एज एनीथिंग लाइक एंड, मैंने इस ट्राइंगल का नाम एंड दे दिया है। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई कैन ड्रॉ ए एन इक्वल टू 6.5, at A draw an angle of 110 degree. Now this is not coming in the table of 15, so I can draw this by using protractor. Now from A cut an arc of 6.5 centimeter at T, then join TN. That's simple. Okay, similarly third question, construct triangle ABC. BC, AC और angle C दिया हुआ है. Let's see the rough sketch. Rough sketch बनाते ही समझ में आ जाएगा आपको. ABC है जो triangle, उसमें आपको BC कितना दिया हुआ है 7.5 एंड AC is 5 एंड मेजर ऑफ एंगल C is 60 डिग्री। इजिली वी कैन कंस्ट्रक्ट, पहले BC बना लीजिए, C पे 60 बना लीजिए, देन फ्रॉम C कट एन आर्क ऑफ 5 सेंटीमीटर एट A, जॉइन AB। So if you will learn one construction, you will be able to do others by yourself. Just you have to draw the rough sketch first, okay? So the other construction we will see in our next class. Thank you everyone.